ChatGPT and apps. You're planning a trip and ask ChatGPT to find flights, add the best option to your calendar, and create a packing list, all without leaving the chat. Sounds like too much? ChatGPT's apps can help with that. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to connect the apps you already use and let ChatGPT take real actions on your behalf. ChatGPT got more powerful. So far, ChatGPT has been answering your questions, helping you write, and thinking through problems with you. All of that happens inside the chat. It gives you text, and you do the rest. Apps change that. When you connect an app, ChatGPT can do things in the real world. Search for flights, play music, or build a design, all from inside the conversation. Look at the left sidebar. You'll find apps there. To connect an app, tap the apps icon. You will see 3 categories. Featured lifestyle productivity. You can browse more, connect the ones you want, and they're ready to use. Text tool versus connected assistant. Without apps, ChatGPT is like a friend who gives great advice, but you still have to make all the calls yourself. With apps connected, that same friend can pick up the phone for you. Let's see how it is different in practice. The answer is useful, but not quite what you asked for. ChatGPT gave you real hotel options, but that's all they are, just information. You can't do anything with them directly. Now, let's connect a booking app and ask the app the same question in the chat. Apps in action. Connect booking.com from the apps panel, then ask, find me a hotel in Sydney for the last weekend of April, under $120 a night. ChatGPT's text tool did a good enough job. It pulled real hotel options with prices directly in the chat. But with a connected app like booking.com, it can now complete the booking on your behalf without you ever leaving the chat. And if you like one of the options, just click View on booking.com. It will redirect you straight to the app with all your search details already filled in. Ready to book? Keep in mind, only connected apps work. ChatGPT can't reach a tool you haven't linked. Actions stay inside the app's scope. It can search and create, but not access your private account data unless you've granted permission. New apps are added regularly. What's available today is just the beginning. It's worth checking what's new every few weeks. Let's try another app, but this time for creation. Imagine you want to post a travel photo on Instagram and need an eye-catching visual to go with it. Just ask Canva in ChatGPT apps. Connect Canva from the apps panel and press Start Chat to ask it to create the visual directly in the chat. You've described what you needed, and Canva built a ready-to-use visual straight inside the chat. But it didn't stop there. ChatGPT also suggested a caption and hashtags to go with the post. That's what happens when apps and ChatGPT work together. For a final task, let's connect with an app you probably use every day, Spotify. Connect it from the apps panel and ask ChatGPT to put on something that fits your mood without ever leaving the chat. ChatGPT gives you a recommendation, open the playlist in your Spotify app, and enjoy. Great work! You've just seen what ChatGPT can do when it's connected to the tools you already use. It stops being just a chat and starts being an assistant that acts in your daily life. Key takeaways. Apps turn ChatGPT from a text tool into a connected assistant. It can take real actions inside Spotify, Booking.com, Canva, and more. You describe the outcome. ChatGPT figures out the steps. There's no need to switch tabs or do it yourself. More apps are added regularly. It's worth checking what's new. Today's limitation might be gone next week.